somebody just asks again if you have a cross floor. If you tell them if you have a cross the floor.
But sometimes a cross, when you cross, I do a cross road.
Repeat.
The only a cross road, no floor. You understand? Pedestrian crossing.
Pedestrian crossing.
You understand? Yes, so really and truly like that me go address, you know. But me never put in a little part that one. Really and truly like me go address. Come and get the calls them, people online and ask some questions. The people need to know. We don't have no crossover. You understand? We never work with that gentleman. I will never work with it. So after I do all of that now and make up all the arguments about things, I feel really I look for myself and I say, but you know, as a little youth in the system, at the time I was the youngest politician, both for the parliamentary and for local government. At the time I was the youngest one. And I said, him as a young man, I saw him deal with other young people. And I remember to myself, and then people, the man would say, old people fight young people. And I said, no, it's young people that fight against young people. Because I'm not much older than me. You understand? And when I see him at first, I see him come in the space, I supported him to come. You know, there was two persons. You have him and you have Charles Jr. was interested in the seat. And I said, well, the young man come from the area, I support him because instead come from the area, let's see if somebody from the area, you know, do something. And as him come in, him come out and him come ask, we call a friend of mine called him and say, it's character assassination, personal assassination, when I'm trying best with discredit me in every single way possible. Yeah, and see, my next realest thing come up now in the week. Yeah. We don't even understand this thing. I help me to boost me up too, because see me there for your program now, and everybody a chat about me now once more. You know, so if you need to understand these things and how you go about things, that is it. You know, your actions. You have to remember, your actions are very dangerous. You have to learn to live with the consequences of your action. And I give this before we make it talk. Before this gentleman come on and say, boy, I made a mistake. You understand where Moko is concerned and apologize. And so we congratulate the council because the people have spoken. It's a democratic process and the people have spoken in the council that one. That is the thing that's supposed to come out because the people elected me. You understand? He never do that. And that to me, and he know what he did and said on the radio. To fix it, I need to come and apologize. You know, and so, well, he made a mistake. And if he made a mistake, then you can say, all right, even though I'm paying I'm ready to work with it because the people said they want him, and that is how politics ought to be. None of that was done. It's like business as usual. It's like you never say anything at all, you never do nothing at all. So what about the consequence of your actions? What do you think? If I never crossed over to the People's National Party, I would have gone. If I never did the same work in the place, but I'm gone. So,
yeah. Hold on. This is what I tell the text deep market. You just think about your career and where you are right now. You don't make no hierarchy. No hierarchy can't talk to me. Nobody can trick me, you know. If somebody come at me and you have a party, the world, remember him in there with them, you know. Him the Minister of Information, him the Minister of this. So him the right there, so. And him a talk, that means him talk with them. Them can't trick nobody. Them deal with you, so I fling you out. That means you're done, you know. You can't run back, your back up and everything. Who resurrect you? The PMP. And then when you just say to me, it touches me because you say, you know, a young man didn't have the place, and you say, no, you know, unless him want you know, and him talk, and the young man say, yes, you're good. And you have to talk to him too. And then to him good now, then you take it. So, you know, push out nobody.
No push nobody.
That's a cleaner.
No push nobody. If you talk to him now, if you ask the young man now, I ain't the gentleman who call me. I know them very, you know at least one of them. You know at least one of them very well. The person who call me. And when he call me 20 minutes after the selection. 20 minutes. And he say, how I speak. I say, you understand that there's a young man there. You know, I'm not fight out nobody. That was my argument on the day of the selection. After the selection. I said to him, I'm not fighting out nobody. Make him stay. May get my chance already. This happened to me. If there's a vacancy, when you can link up and let me know. And them say, alright, sir, I understand. Them going to deal with the thing and come back to me. They did deal with it, them do for them part of it, what them need for do, and get back to me. I think, so well, I bully him out of the position. So I call the young man, I meet up with him and I ask him, say, if I push him out. And he said, no. And I said, alright, he just say, I think me stand a better chance to win the election and the people them love me and that and that. And that was it.
That was it. And let me just remind Big Mama about this. This young man, them take him and then kick him to the curve. Everybody watch. Because if me in a party, I see them a kick you to the curve, you know. Brother, me the Prime Minister, the Deputy Prime Minister, me, I'll come out and talk and say, no, him do good. Do not do that. You understand? Because they come out and them say, no, don't do it, it don't happen. But you know your career done. With them, you know, them done your career, you know.
May I have to say this, you see? May I say this?
Yes.
Me no want my conscience right. So I say, you have persons there who that defend me fully. You understand? But this fellow and a particular lady is very close friends. And them use them powers that big that and get them position where they want. You understand? And more will just tell them thanks because this level of people show me love and respect and so forth more than now. And knowing them expose me now to a different party. A party I'm familiar with because I grew up with PNP, to be honest with you. You understand? Because my granny had PNP.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
They expose me. And truth be told now, the current system and I understand certain system because it's two different parties. So they operate is two different parties. So the meeting structure, they operate on a monthly basis. They're two different parties. And they expose me to it, and I appreciate that. So I big them up for that. But really and truly was a gentleman and a lady. There were two of them a friend. I'm not calling name. Two of them a friend. One of big power and one of them obviously junior power. The one with the big power force and get certain things. You understand? That's all. That me understand. So it wasn't like the whole, you know, like the whole set of them trying. You have people in there who genuinely say, yo, yes. Why are you doing foolishness? You understand? Yeah.
And listen, you notice me lawyer for talking, but me know say yeah people them have
yeah man.
I mean I say you notice me not say it. I'm not ask you, so
yes,
you have to say nothing.
Really and truly, but may I say this to you? Really and truly, I'm gonna tell this to people all the time that, you know, people first. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Because in whatever you look upon it and say, boy, I only deal with PNP alone or labor right alone. And I only deal with labor right alone and run the PNP. How can I do that right now?
You know that.
You understand?
Yes.
I only do that right now. Anything you see me do and so forth, the bipartisan thing, show respect to everybody. One time me in an area work, when ask anybody, I ask you, not even ask you who's party support. You understand? I'm not asking people, not asking anybody that. Me just go through and do a thing. You understand? And keep my thing and go on. You know? Me do something. And this is how my friend them always cuss me about. Me keep program and big sponsors something that me don't get it. Me use my personal money and then me broke. And then me slung a yard. Me just want one thing, me have gas and me can't move around. And me food on the yard. Now my virgin them will cuss me and say, I can't do them things. But me just do something for know say, and something going to change some people's lives. I want me know say, yes, and I believe in it. That is it. You know? One of the biggest thing I think politicians must ask themselves is what them don't want from a politician.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
I'm going to play this and then me ask a question. I'm going to play this.
Yeah, man. Whatever we want to do.
Come sit down, come down, man. Next turn, now come down now. Now come down now there.
How are you feeling now in terms of just been voting for the different side of it?
I've just voted for the people. The people come first. I have a contract with the people. I just renewed the contract, and the people are in the process of renewing the contract with me. As I said before, over and over, politics aside, the people come first. And that's first and foremost. You understand? Some people get caught up in the whole politics of the politics. You understand? And forget about the people. The job of a politician is always to represent the people, no matter what. And that's my job. And that's what I continue to do. And that's why we have the support here today from both sides. Something that never normally happens here in Moko Division. And today we have it from both sides. There are persons working on the team today that are from the Labour Party, and they are from the PNP, and some that are the 40% black that are from the No Views. They are coming over as well to support me, and I feel elated. I feel happy about it, and to know that we have the support of the people. So we expect that. You understand? We have some reports of some incidents. We have an indoor agent that normally works with the Labour Party. So this
Hey, wait.
Yes.
Wait. It's when I jack them to rap. Remember that day they like it back on me and to rat it. You see how when I go vote, I will come back out to rat it with my finger. Cause the next show, I'm not my finger, you. Holy, I'm not my finger. I remember when I my finger, I'm going to come out to the finger, so you know. We see about 10 reporters, you know, because when I come from other cluster coming into this cluster. So the observer people, them see them and them stop me. So they say, Mr. Morris, we're gonna vote. We say we're gonna vote right now. When we reach at the voting location, about 10 reporters did they come. And we said backside. We said to the officer that was beside, we said to them, boy, I'm done superstar today. Because 10 reporters come and the whole of them attack the reporters. I could come out and we go to them and we'll see them was there, Christian, and ask man about a Christian, you know. And the whole spirit of the day was good. You can see it all in our face. We never stressed, you know, we never depressed. It was there, you know, the people them give me that reassurance, time to reach out and thing, you know. Yeah, that was it. We love that day. We love somebody, we're glad somebody come on to this interview. Yeah, sure.
Yes. Yeah, people that ask me, enough people that online, you know, enough people that online.
Yeah, man.
Yes, but hear this now. Some people that ask, some to ask the question straight up if you across the floor. But him just tell you before you talk, and you just tell me say, I make you talk, but you just tell me say no, you're out of job because them see that them kick you out. Or if you cross the floor when them take you out of your job. Them kick you for go home. You want to be a politician now. So if you cross the floor, good one. To make the Jamaican people them look for you and say no, this was no wah. Like so when them go kick you again, what you do now? Everybody run you.
No crossing, no floor, me now work with no guy. You understand? No guy. No guy when I work with. You understand? The guy to apologize in action when I work with no guy.
Yes. Know? And then even if he come and apologize, he made this and say, me apologize. Remember, them kick you out already.
No, man, we apologize. You know, me apologize, nothing the man don't mean nothing at all now. Him know, he's an adult, him know when they do at the time. You know. And no, now I work with that guy.
No guy.
No guy.
What you mean? So,
yeah,
I wonder them people say your baby still like maybe you're 10 or something now, but can't get in there. Animal lollipop.
You have to turn up on principle. We have to turn up on principle.
Love that.
You understand? You have to turn up on principle. You stand on your fall for anything. You understand? You have to have some principle where you say, oh, that's a your principle.
True.
But that's the case, that's the case. You understand? Principle. That is my thing. You know, yeah. That's my thing.
What them do is principle you stand for. Okay. So, in other words, them select them do so send you home and say, right, I'm going to fuck up and leave. You get back an opportunity, but from the PMP. From your granny party. The PMP resurrect your whole career and give the opportunity to serve the same people them where you serve. Bug life come out and say, on them dead body, you will never win. The fight in there, so the man. You cannot keep dead body. So me
And
understand this.
what me get the part of
Mm-hmm.
all indications you go up on the road that you under some pressure. You're under some pressure because him thinks that him that want the people them. He thinks money, you know. Like, him don't have a money problem. He have a personality problem. You understand? So not really a person money thing. And when I grew on here, a lot of grumbling. It's not just in Moko because it's a crossover. I can go right across the constituency now
Yes.
because I'm not restricted no more. So I go right across and you can sit down and have some real talk with people and realize that people are really and truly they really like him. And it's not that I must say a while ago, it's a thing where you have a money problem. You have a personality problem or when you come after people and deal with people. You have to understand that politics is about dealing with people, you know, and that was it. So I tell people this story, it's just like you look at a woman and if you present yourself as a money man, she go and see you as a money man, you know. If you see yourself as if you come off as a person that is, you know, true and genuine, that person won't deal with you as a person that is truthful and genuine, and then that is it, you know. So I think what happened now is some wake up calls that come up, you know, some things that happen now that I can't explain. That's why I'm boss have to go come down the other day and say, well, you know, have to fix it, you know, problems are there. You know, and move around now, try and best to socialize with people and so forth. But I don't own nobody. But when I talk to people, I say, I can't say, when I go say over-minded body, him can't win. But all indications that show that he's going to have a challenge, a hard time in the upcoming election because the people are not working with him.
I'm not working with him. You see, you're honest when we talk to you, you just steady. You know what it's, you know, say, over no dead body or nothing. And him a watch, you know, him a watch now. No, but let me just tell them. You see the PMP, you know, give him back the chance. Because you don't kick him out of politics now. You know, say for class over, you don't kick him out. You not literally kick him out. Don't they make the selection and then kick you out, sir? You go home, your time done. The election run, you figure home. You figure home, you know, in no politics. I don't, in him head, him feel same so powerful that you don't know. All they have to do is just sit down and look stuff. No more chance him. But this is you. You same way.
Yeah.
Doing what to do it.
Yeah. I'm gonna tell you, he never anticipated this. He never anticipated that this can happen. A crossover can happen. And after a crossover, then I have this video. I don't think he anticipated. You understand?
They're done. And him say,
Yeah, I think he's done.
I said, the people that you see, your granny party is a good party, yeah?
And may I say this thing, because me sure it's a politician I listen. So I have some politician, even if you want to listen, remember this. It's very important. People you deal with, no matter who come to you, try to be as respectful and honest to them and do your work to the best of your ability. You understand? You don't have to have the world, because you still have roads in Moko division that stay bad. Still have people don't have no street lights, still have people who don't have no water and so forth. But what? It's how you present yourself in that politics and work with the people, and the people will reward you. You know, we still have work hard to get some things adjust and so forth. But you have to just do your best.
Yeah, I will show you this, but I'm going to show you something. You're going to laugh. What's you laughing? What's you laughing now? Pull up, what I'm there. Let me find what I'm going to show you right now. Yeah? Let me just do that one here. Yes. Yeah? Let me see this. 12 p.m., alright? Alright. I don't want to see that one. I want to do that one here. Let me see where it's there. I want to do that one here, man. Let me see that one here. I'm going to show you a lot. When you see that one here, yeah, I wonder what this now. What on there? Come in. No, I'm coming. Yeah? I'm coming. Tell Mama I'm coming. Yes. I'm coming. Come in. No, I'm soon coming. Yes, okay. Make I show you this now. Watch this now. What a big.
Rolling. Rolling, hold on. Come on, slow moving. Best play again. Best play again. Jamaican. Best play again. Best play again.
One big empty place, hold on. That's what I want, big empty place. In the plan, film birthday the 22nd, can I say yes, sir, Mash? I mean, you're buying in town and people are responding. And in the plan, full sweep, clean sweep. And then him up there, same of the money pull up with a big old empty place.
Nah.
Yeah?
You know, still, I feel embarrassed. You know, because I'm a part of the system, part of the political director. And then you have people now who are come and do these type of things. Money pull up and so forth. You know, yeah, that's money. You understand? Because I could have never do that.
No.
Me know personally. I know personally that in a Moko, you have people now who don't want a $200. We know right now some people don't want a $5 bills, $1,000, a $50. Me personally know that. You understand? And not just in Moko, but in a Jamaica overall, I know say there are people out there now that want some. And when I sit down and I think about them, I see the video, I want to see it, but you never know say in actually something like that. Because I say no, but that don't make no sense. You're coming like you're chopping now, like you're waste money. Like, you know, to get the money, you're waste it. How are you supposed to know so some people out there really and truly in need? Yes, you might be happy and so forth, but you can't do that. You understand? Not as a politician. You can't take up money and dash it away. Knowing the people would deny the same little let's say there. My shopping at the same dance them they know. One man did that want $29,000. You understand? And right there so now you have a youth who want to go to school. You understand? Would I want $1,000, I want $500 to go to school. You know, what do you not succeed time? People who want the money to pay for you succeed them. And you have this to do it, you know, to show us that something is wrong. You know, I think you need to do some introspection. I think you need a mentor. You understand? Yeah, you need to do some serious introspection or in doing things.
And you just say something where very truthful, where you say, you know, as a politician, because you're part and you feel embarrassed. And I may understand you feel embarrassed. Because right now, me say, I'll show you something again. Them that go a conference. I have to show you this. And just look on this. Look on this. And these things, you look decent among the alright crisis. Somebody just asks again if you have a cross floor. If you tell them if you have a cross the floor. But
Sometimes I cry, or you cry, I do a cross road.
repeat.
The only cross a cross road. No floor. You understand? Pedestrian crossing.
Pedestrian crossing.
You understand? Yes, so really and truly like that me go address, you know. But me never put in a little part that one. Really and truly like me go address. Come and get the calls them, people up online ask some questions. The people need to know. We don't have to know crossover. You understand? We never work with that gentleman. I will never work with it. Alright? Yeah man. Any more questions?
Yes, any more